before this video starts, if you guys want a free giveaway, then make sure to subscribe and comment stuff. Yeah, JK, I'm not doing a giveaway. Hey guys, Quinn here, or DJ Curly Potato. Today I'm playing some Crossy Road, or Disney Cross Road. This game was suggested by X Example Shot 101. Now, if you guys are wondering, why have you already unlocked Mayor Lionheart? You just started playing. I haven't. I made a video previously earlier, but it got corrupted. So yeah, I'm kind of triggered right now. Further ado, let's just play this stupid game. I know the basics to the game now. So let's just get right into it. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, wait for traffic. Okay. Okay. You've got, this is triggered. Figurine restored? Okay then. Purchase ham and you'll get more red coins and double. That's pretty good, I guess. And oh my gosh, I'm on Lilo and Stitch. Ooh, I had an orange. That's nice. Oh, hey there, Grandma. I'm just gonna ignore you. Okay. Oh, train's coming. That's unfortunate. Figurine restored? Wowee, it's Stitch. How come I'm getting all these random characters? It's just really weird, but I like it. A free gift? I love gifts. Oh my god, is that 110 gifts? I don't know, maybe that would mean I can get a good thing. Let's get a new character, shall we? What's it gonna be, huh? Oh my gosh, it's Ugga Boy of Company B. A book of rhythm. Can't blow a note till the bass gets the top playing in rhythm. And when the comer drops when he plays reveille, he's the Ugga Boy of Company B. I'm sorry, Ugga Boy of Company B. I can't wait to play as this guy. What? What? No. Okay, where are we? Oh gosh, I can't wait to play this. Oh my gosh, I love this Halloween/Christmas ambiance. They're just two random things put together. Oh, actually, this on the real though, this place is way too chaotic. Yeah, this place is extremely chaotic. But anyway, let's go run! Okay, that actually got really far then. A Janie doll, okay. Oh, I have to pay. Gosh! This is stupid. Traffic, of course. Oh, is that a gift? Oh, that's a rock. I'm so stupid. Okay. Let's go. That was so triggeredness. I'm triggered, guys. Gosh. This is stupid. Oh, actually, my dad's home. Hold on, guys. BRB. And we're back, guys. We're back. And oh, God. I don't even remember where I was. But anyway, okay. Okay. Yo, this music. Oh my god, I just realized that they're like things cutting things. This guy's just a lot deeper. Oh gosh, a free gift? Oh my god, 1 in 20. Win a prize. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Oh my gosh, it's Crush! I love it! Wait, my friend has got scored today, which is really cool. Ha 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 ha! Wait a minute. Something doesn't seem right here. How is he able to fall? There's no way he's just able to be falling like that. Oh god. Oh, that was extremely trolly. Let's try that again. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh my gosh, that was a close one. Okay, this is actually pretty peaceful. It's not that bad, if you think about it. Oh no, I don't like where this is going. Okay. Oh gosh! Of course. Of course. A free gift? Yo! Yo, this stuff is being generous today. What? Oh, what's this? What? Okay, never mind. We'll save that for a different time. But anyway, yeah. Let's continue this. Yo, this is troll. This is troll nation right here. Okay, let's go. Feet waiting. 2, 3. Okay. Ha. Oh gosh. Oh, hey there, Crush. I meant hey there, Squirt. Upgrade Crush? No. I'm changing my character, actually. Can I this level's way too hard. Pirates of the Caribbean, Monsters Inc., Aladdin, Nightmare Before Christmas, Moana, Mulan, Mr. Incredible, Belle, this would be Lilo and Stitch. I seriously got this? Wow. Wait! Oh, these are my collection. I thought I unlocked everybody in the Nemo pack. But yeah, that's all of mine. Starter pack was $6.94. 10 ticket pack. Wait, what are other stuff they have? Anyway, I'm gonna be something I haven't been yet in this episode. Simply Mickey Mouse. Cause why not, man? Why not? Now let's go. Yeah. I'm just gonna run. Let's see how long I actually last. Are you ready? I'm in full determination right now to beat this. Oh! This is troll nation right now. Okay, let's just go. Wow, I'm smart. I'm smart. Wait, I got a free gift in 3 hours? What the heck? I'm gonna be Earth Day Stitch again. Let's go. Wow, this is just so great. I have such a great start right now. What's this basket that's following right behind me? I don't really know what it is. I've come to a conclusion that if I collect this, I can get more stuff. So I'm going to try to do that, shall I? Uh-oh. I'm getting trapped. This is rigged. Gotta say. Okay, we're gonna beat it right now. Right here. Wow. Uh-oh. Daily missions in process. Okay. We're gonna hop on 10 icebergs with, Lionheart now. Let's go. Okay. I'm actually gonna try this time. Wow. Let's try this again, shall we? Ooh, what's this? Nice. This game's really fun, actually. Thanks, Sniper Shot, for requesting this. I just gotta wait for traffic to come out. No, oh gosh! Oh no, oh no. Okay, 6/10 of icebergs are... Okay, so we have 6 out of 10 icebergs are on our way. So let's get straight into the news. Oh gosh. Oh, no! This butt. This butt.
It's time to take every step very, very carefully.
Guys, I made the goal! Whoa! Yeah! Made it. What's this? Scare 10 birds with Mickey today. Alright, I could do that challenge, then we'll end the video. How do you kind of scare a bird? I don't really know how to do that. Yeah, I don't really know. How do you scare a bird? Oh, I see. There's birds right here. No! Wait, I scared one. Okay, let's find another bird and scare it, hopefully. Oh, phew. Hey there, bird. Oh! The quest to scare birds. Let's go. I think I scared it though. Does that count as a bird? I'm sorry. I was waiting for the trucks to pass. Thank you very much. Yes! Oh, is it a present? Oh my gosh! I got 40 tokens! Alright, now, let's unlock this new character and then end the video. Time to end it by seeing... Mortimer. That's nice. But anyway, it's time to see who do we have? Let's find out, shall we? Let's go. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's an ostrich from The Lion King. Fun fact, guys, I was in that show. I was the hyena. Anyway, if you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I was Quinn, and let's go. I was here with Mickey Mouse, the birds I scared, Stitch, and these animals, especially the ostrich. I was here with the Ooga Booga Booga Boy of company. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and good.
Hit that notification button.
Wow, that's awkward.